I could feel the stress dwindling away as I kept riding. He didn't turn his back on me, and that meant a lot. The dog was twitching in its sleep, probably changing something fun. Fear was gone. Now I feel revivified. I was calm, but inside something kept tickling my mind. I saw a squirrel jump. Baby bird was wailing softly in the nest. Stepped on the sand pellet and almost slipped. The path was covered with rain and dry leaves. The ferocious sun was hitting my back, but I didn't mind. Opened the door and whispered, I can't stand church. Wind moved from my forehead. We've got a run of luck, someone shouted from the cafe. A sheath of fog rolled in from the lake.